And Rich, who said you were little time. Mm-hmm.
But national team coach is on bro.
And easy.
And now what they say 12 players now out of 24. 12 players now on for training.
Yes.
And the two kind. Okwa probably a chance a bit training. And it means that ahead of Chad game, no one shut out crying time to train with your teams. That's all.
Yes. And you see, and Nhyira sometimes that is what I want to discuss. And Nhyira sometimes no. Omu pay attention to these details are okay. Will always go after the coaches and say, hey, now they call up on a template biana. Because it's the same faces. I be on some kakra. Rich, you don't need to change too many of these players for these qualifiers. Because you will not have time to build a new team. And say fair players now. Majority of them must be players are almost forming the core of the team. Send your work on. And now when you 12 players. And then training way ya boom omoko because they've trained and oma fly. I think say from her to charge almost between 3 to 4 hours. Omoko do they'll have to rest. Ochina, which is Wednesday, and ometimi training. And that is a training minus 1 day to match day. And see Ochina, Blasters will train and train at the match venue. The following day, and see Kanukro within this short time, no. Rich, see, and your players are Otai Freo, and your players are Omote was here already. Omo so to the Obon nuclear saying or Pasoka. O to the also saying or Passia, but that they be a bar say ano or Pasobo, and see also will be a child. Omuso muboni say park na ko boss ni ti say enti yen twiki saade we yen improve your saade we ho ene sa no mo enti ebe bibi kakra bi and you need to ubenya time e dey aka team no ho for these games. Rich, sometimes see a tin no mo ni nyina si we are probably we will also understand why certain decisions are being taken, but I am happy at least the leadership of the team Bebre naba omo enei ye ka say your first level Rich omo betimi apiem in the team no. I think say at least they've been able to come as early as possible and no boa, because then you have your core team, you have an idea of selection na odi omo makano asese hona what me enya a very good team. Me dey be make say Rich child there, we need to go and beat them there. If even it's 1-0, we need to go and squeeze that win 3 points. No, I also go squeezing near the bar. Then near bar, we will think about the big fish that is Mali. And we will continue to give them the support. So we reporter Joy Fonende back from Accra near there. Ultimately, it has been a very good session. Me who Stephen Apia, me who Desmond Affair, John Pensomo, Obia Yena Juma to make sure say at least ni betimi qualify at the co-worker. But Rich, we can only hope for the best.
Sure.
We can only hope for the best and wish them all the best.
Yeah, Rich, you see, so I'll show you a table now. We are in a very critical position to see. You're 15 points after 6 match days. You're match day 7 and match day 8. You're 3 points off Comoros, and you're 5 points off Madagascar. Now, your next 2 matches are not against any of these 2 teams on Mobile. So it means that we are in a very critical side. Chad and a team or that last log. So it means that there are 2 things you want to do. You want to build morale for the much more difficult one against Mali.
To show no never
to call their Shenashen ye 2-0. Acquire 2 better. 1 Shenia, then you don't get the morale that you want. But so win the game, try and win it comfortably if you can. Then bring the morale back. Because Chad on record at home, it's not good. In fact, I'll share the statistics that I have in front of me. In almost last in the group, picking up 1 point crampo in 6 matches.
Whipping boys.
I mean, Obi Ashenibi. So we need to go to N'Djamena as group leaders and then exert our dominance as the masters of the group. Then we are Babaka The strategy is to make sure say in the game again, because which see 6 points in these 2 games we are done. Already we are up by 3 points. If we add 6, granted that Omoma Kenya show there, it makes it 9 for us. 9 points, a good standing in 3 games, and after that we have 2 more games to play. Chad here in Ghana, and also here in our game. Then we go to a last game away from home, which can be dicey. We don't want to make a automatic qualification into a dicey game away from home in a country that we've suffered to beat in recent times. Into these 2 games are very critical. 1, in the dynamics of the group. 2, for the future possibility to see a automatic qualification with ease. And 3, to build morale. So it's something that we have to get there. And I think that when it comes to quality, we have the quality more than the Chadians. Especially when they are playing at home, you are going away to N'Djamena, wherever. We have that quality. Where I expect say the game will be physical and the Malians will want to put on a huge fight. Hey, the Malians never cry. But that's when the atmosphere will be able to generate at Accra Sports Stadium. And the quality of players here, Kitano, it's may a very certain say at the very least we'll get something from that game. But the very first step is to go away to N'Djamena and get a job done.
Okay. My comment most is process center. Nah, yanko check your post it. And you be maybe utie me now.